Hey there guys, Akhil from WM Original and welcome to another video. Today we are taking a first look at the new Microsoft Edge built on Chromium. This is a project Microsoft announced back in December of last year. This is an entire rebuild of the Edge browser using Google Chrome. Going forward, if you don't know, Google Chrome is built on something called Chromium and uses the Blink of rendering engine. And now Microsoft adopted that codebase and is building its own browser on top of that. Back in December when Microsoft had announced that they will be rebuilding Microsoft Edge using Chromium base, they had also announced a new beginning of Microsoft Edge Insider program. So if you had registered for Microsoft Edge Insider program, you should have got an email from Microsoft. Now I am on official website for Microsoft Edge Insiders and here Microsoft starts with let's build together. Thanks for using Microsoft Edge and checking out what's coming up next. Take a look at our preview builds and let us know what you think so we can keep improving. Download Dev channel for Windows 10. Here we download Microsoft Edge Dev channel, which is Microsoft Edge Chromium first build available for Microsoft Edge Insiders. If you have not registered for Microsoft Edge Insiders as of now, see the link in description and try your luck to get your hands on Microsoft Edge Chromium preview build. Meanwhile it gets downloaded, let's have a look at Microsoft Edge community forums. Here we see a post from Elliot from Microsoft. Greetings Microsoft Edge Insiders. Welcome to Microsoft Edge Insider community. Microsoft's mission with Edge community is to build a community of valuable insiders where we can listen and learn how Microsoft Edge Chromium can be better. Community voice. When we announced the next version of Microsoft Edge back in December, we asked a simple question. If you could change one thing about the web, what that would be? Microsoft got more than 40k comments and that's a lot of bunch of new ideas. Coming back to the installation of Microsoft Edge Chromium, it's installed now. We are ready to get our hands on Microsoft Edge Chromium. Here you can choose a look for your new tab, inspirational, informational or focused. There is a welcome page where Microsoft welcomes Edge Insiders to Microsoft Edge Dev channel. We are excited to show you our progress as you are getting started. Check out some great ways to get involved. Edge community, sync favorites, pin to taskbar and test it for a real test drive. There are total 12 tips. We will have a look at those some other day. Let's have a look at what's coming soon for Edge Insiders in future. Dark mode, smooth scrolling, accessibility improvements, reading view, grammar tools, translation. That's a bunch of new improvements coming to Edge Chromium in future. Scrolling through Edge homepage, here you can have your feeds from different topics. First of all, let's close out the regular Edge browser and have a close look at Edge Chromium. There are basically three layouts available for Microsoft Edge Chromium: focused, inspirational, informational, and then comes custom, from where you can toggle off image of the day, feeds or most visited sites as well. So you have full control over start layout of your browser. You can also personalize your news feed as per your preference, the topics you want to follow, and then you will get feeds from selected topics only. You can also set Edge Chromium as your default browser. Go to settings and app. From there select default web browser. Change to Microsoft Edge Dev from scroll down menu. There are many tools coming along with this, such as Browser Task Manager as well, thus giving some extra control over browser tasks. You can have Edge apps as well. That's something new coming with Edge Chromium. You can have app experience in your browser. I have already installed Twitter. You can also do the same. Same as Google Chromium Incognito, Edge also comes with in private browsing, from where Microsoft Edge won't save history, cookies and site data as well as passwords, addresses or other form entries, but it will surely save your favorites and downloads. Same as Google Chrome, you can also add users to your Edge Chromium, add a profile, or you can also browse as guest. Now adding a new profile to Edge Chromium, naming that as WM Originals, You can also import your favorites, sign in to your Microsoft Edge profile so that you can sync. You can also easily remove profiles as well. It saves all your information. You can also import data from other browsers such as regular Edge, Chrome. One can also have full control over appearance, have a home button as well as zoom in and zoom out as per your preference. On startup, you can select from where Edge starts, opens a new tabs or continues from where you left, or have a specific home page. You can also set privacy and services used by Microsoft Edge, set site permissions, manage your downloads, select browser language, set printers your browser can use. You can also reset your browser setting to default and know more about Microsoft Edge. This is Edge browser version 74.1.96.24 official build. This is what I had in this video. If you liked what you saw, share it with your friends. Also, if you want to download and use Microsoft Edge Chromium, I have shared links in description of this video as well. Become an Edge insider and get your hands on Microsoft Edge Chromium now. Ending video with subscribe request for WM Originals. If you have not subscribed to WM Originals yet, do that now. Also, have a look at some cool videos you may also like. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Start with the unboxing of this MVP kit. Let's see what's inside and what Microsoft has sent. Here it is. Wow. This is awesome. This is Windows Insider MVP.
Windows 10 is finally here. Incredible day, incredible time. And obviously we are back on the roll. Microsoft's got the mojo back.
It's a dramatic launch for Microsoft, as you would know.
Great start. We've been waiting for this to happen. This looks really good. It was almost got me the feeling I'm walking into CES abroad, into the Microsoft, campus or platform. So very nicely done, very slick inside. Exactly what Windows 10 should be.
As you all know, I am a Windows Insider and I love Microsoft. I made a video unboxing of Windows Insider MVP kit, and most of you wanted to know how you can also become a Windows Insider MVP. But before becoming a Windows Insider MVP, you need to be a Windows Insider first. So in this video, I will tell you all how you can become a Windows Insider and get latest of Windows. Today I am here to provide you with overview of 10 upcoming features and changes to Windows 10 with Windows 10 April 2019 update. Microsoft is getting ready with the first feature update of 2019 called as 19H1 during the Windows Insider preview builds. There are so many changes coming up with this update. Some of them being sandbox, result storage, the must talk about change.